How to change Instagram Explore feed. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account. Now, to change the Instagram Explore feed, there are various ways. As Instagram Explore feed is based on an algorithm on the way how you interact or what type of post you are interested in the Explore feed section or what type of post that you search for. So depending upon that, you will be able to view all the content on your Instagram Explore feed. Now to change it, what you can do is first of all clear all the search history on your Instagram. For that, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then once you get to your profile page, now navigate to top right corner, then tap on three line icon. Now once you land on settings and privacy page, now in the search bar, search for search history. Then tap on it. Now choose your Instagram account. And here you'll be able to view all your search history on your Instagram. Now if you like to choose random from there, then choose the random, then tap on this cross icon next to that and it will get removed from your search history. Now if you like to remove all, now go back, then tap on clear all searches. Then it says last hour, yesterday or all time. Then tap on clear all searches for last hour, or you can choose yesterday and all time as well. Then tap on clear all searches. And with that, all the search history has been cleared. And now the other thing that you can do is head back. Once you get to the settings and activity page, here scroll down a bit and then there you will be able to view an option that says suggested content. Tap on it. Here go to interested content. Now if you have added any post to your interested content, so you can remove that from here as well. So choose the one that you would like to remove and choose anyone from your interested page. And this will also help you to change the Instagram Explore feed. Now the last thing that you can do is that you can remove all the liked videos from your Instagram. For that, scroll down a bit and then go to your activity. Here go to likes. And in this page, you will be able to view all the liked posts in Instagram. So you can remove that as well to change the Explore feed by clearing the liked video search history and your interested videos. You can change the Explore feed in your Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.